and today we're going to make a variation of a childhood classic of mine, smoked bologna. Hey, we're back out here at the lake again, and we're going to make something that kind of takes me back to my childhood. My mom used to always make fried bologna in a big skillet, and we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do smoked bologna, and we got us a 5-pound chub of bologna here. Some people call it mystery meat. You don't want to ask what it's made of. Who knows? Chicken beaks, feet, cow's tongue. I don't know what it is, but it's good, and we're gonna smoke it. So let's get started here. All right, first thing we need to do is cut these metal rings off of the end here. We're gonna take this whole casing off. All right, then the next thing we want to do is we want to just score the bologna in 1-inch sections. Don't need to go real deep, but we want to allow that seasoning to get down into it. We're going to use Traeger's pork and poultry rub. We're just doing a straight line, scoring about every inch or so. Straight as I know how to make. They kind of disappear when you cut into them too, so. All right, then when you get your vertical runs, then we're going to do the same thing in the opposite direction, about every inch or so. Started this the wrong way here. Not only will this help let the rub in seasoning, it looks pretty. Tricky part is meeting your cut on the other end. I don't know how to cut a straight line to save my life. Just kind of pull it apart a little bit, exposes your cut. Makes it a little easier to see. Hey, if it ain't pretty, if it ain't beautiful, it's bologna. You can't really screw this up. All right. Well, let's do one on the ends. I didn't get very far out on the end here. Well, it's pretty close. I don't want to do the other end. A little too close. All right. So, once you got your bologna scored, then we just need to, we're going to put a little yellow mustard on there just to kind of help hold the Traeger seasoning to it. Like we usually do, you just kind of slather it on there. Again, it's a binder. You won't taste it in the end. It just helps keep that seasoning on there. And if you're not making a mess, then you must not be doing it right. So I don't get mustard on everything, even though I'm wearing gloves. I'm going to take one of these off. And we're going to take our pork and poultry rub, and we're just going to be liberal with our seasoning as usual. You want to get a good covering on there. A little bit of a breeze will give some to Mother Nature. Since we're out at the lake, we'll be doing this on our Ninja Outdoor Smoker. Does a real nice job for us out here. It's small and portable, but yet we still get that smoke on it. So next thing, we'll take that over to the smoker. We're gonna smoke it at about 275 for about 2 hours. Would go at 250 for 3 hours, but I got a hungry crew out here that is hankering for some bologna. So let's go over to the smoker. All right, we're gonna put this on our Ninja smoker at 275 for 2 hours. Maybe it doesn't roll away. All right, we'll just let that go for a couple hours and we will be back. All right, we've got our smoked bologna chub off of the smoker, and we are ready to cut into it and get a taste. Oh boy, look at that. I like thick slices. It's not quite an inch thick, but pretty close. I'm just butchering it there, ain't I? All right. I just like to have my bologna sandwich with some mayo. It's good old mayo. Sometimes I put cheese on it. Sometimes I just do it. You know what we're gonna do though? We're gonna sear the ends on this, just to make it like the old pan fried. So let's head over to the smoker, the grill, with a couple slices, and we'll sear the ends on this. Got a few friends, so we're going to do 3 or 4 slices here. That's a hungry bunch. Just give that a few minutes to sear. One thing about the Ninja smoker, unless I need to read more instructions, you need to leave the lid closed. So you can't watch it. Not quite long enough yet. Let's put these over. I got a little bit of grill going on them. Not too bad. Do the other side for a few minutes. All right, we've had them searing on both sides for about 5 minutes per side. Let's take one of these and get our sandwich going here. Oh, that's going to be delicious. Well, that's it for the smoked bologna. As always, thanks for watching Smokin' and Drinkin', and prost! Wants to be on camera.